This is the Ridgid 700 Power Head Power Threader. It's about the best threading system I think that's on the market that is somewhat portable. It's still quite heavy, but it's quality. It's made in the United States. It's good stuff. It's all I use, Ridgid. Still use 120 power too. I'm not convinced on battery threading. This thing dims the lights in any house I go to. There's an old Ridgid threader. Back when men were men. That thing's 55 pounds or more. It adjusts from about 1/2 inch to 2-inch threading. And actually, it's not that bad. I'm 5'8", 190 pounds, and I can thread with that pretty good. It's a workout. I get sweaty after. Here's another old style. Just a knuckle. There's the 1/2 inch thread box. There's the 1 inch. And that would be the 3/4. It's easy, just like it looks like. You pick it up, put it in the corresponding thread, and you turn it. Yeah, just like this one here. That's an R65. It ratchets. This baby must have been pretty impressive back in the day. I bought that for nostalgia, but it works, and I use it. This old stand is a Reed pipe vise. It's probably from the 40s or 50s. I bought it used, gave it a real nice cleanup. The fella I bought it from, his dad had it from new. He was happy to see it go to a small gas contractor who still does hand threading and has a use for this cool old vise. They don't make them like this anymore. It's really neat. There's all the reaming tool, the big Ridgid cutter. Today we're going to talk about threading pipe and the materials used that are acceptable. There's the good old copper. Sometimes we still use this, certain circumstances. There's 3/8, 1/2 inch. 5/8 is what I'd use most of the time. That's right there. That'll do any stove, fireplace. Most appliances in a house don't need that much, but this is kind of the old way to do it. Of course, that's 3/4. This is sort of the new way to do it. This is corrugated stainless with a nice protective jacket on it. So it's a corrugated stainless inside. It's sharp as a razor. Special way to cut it, special way to hook it up. That's 1 inch. That carries quite a bit of gas. This is the new way. We do barbecues, stoves, fireplaces. It's great. Kind of expensive. The fittings are a little pricey, but the time I save not having to thread pipe, this is great stuff. I'm old school. I like standing there all day and threading pipe and using the oil and cutting. Anyways, this is underground gas line. No threading involved. It's a high density polyethylene type pipe. You put an inside ream or chamfer on there. Certain fittings, this is what gets buried. Backhoes can dig through it. I've had to fix that. Great stuff though. It's pretty cool. Not allowed to bury black iron anymore. Back in the day, the guys used to do that, but why is that a good idea? Putting steel in the moist ground, right? Especially if it's carrying something explosive. Anyways, back here to the power head. I'll get set up in my next video and you'll be able to actually watch this turn and start putting grooves in pipe.